If you're looking to write website copy that converts, AI is the tool you need. And in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to create persuasive, high-converting copy for your website. Stick around until the end, because I'll also give you access to an exclusive free trial of the software we're using, so you can follow along yourself. So, how do you use AI to write website copy that converts? It all starts with understanding your audience. Before diving into the software, make sure you know who you're writing for. Are you targeting entrepreneurs, retirees, or small business owners? The AI can only be as effective as the information you feed it. Once you've got that locked down, the next step is to use the AI to generate ideas. This is where the software we're using really shines. You can input a simple prompt about your product or service, and the AI will generate a variety of copy options, from headlines to full landing page text. The key here is to experiment with different variations to find the tone and messaging that best connects with your audience. Don't be afraid to ask the AI for specific types of copy, like product descriptions, CTAs, or even testimonials. But writing great copy doesn't stop with the first draft. It's important to refine it to make sure it's clear, compelling, and concise. With AI, you can quickly tweak your copy by giving it more specific instructions. For example, ask the AI to make the language more emotional, persuasive, or casual depending on your brand's voice. The more detailed your input, the better the output. One powerful feature of this software is its ability to optimize for SEO. When writing website copy, it's crucial to incorporate the right keywords to make sure your content ranks. With this AI, you can easily generate SEO-friendly copy by simply asking the tool to include specific keywords or phrases. This means you're not only getting high-converting copy, but you're also making sure it's discoverable. Now, let's talk about editing. AI is incredibly helpful, but it's not perfect. Always make sure to review and edit the copy. Check for clarity, flow, and consistency with your brand's message. AI-generated copy can sometimes sound a bit robotic, so it's important to infuse your unique voice and touch. By using this approach, you can write website copy that not only speaks to your audience but also persuades them to take action. And the best part, with AI, you can quickly scale your copywriting efforts, saving you time and effort while maintaining high-quality content. So what's the key takeaway from this video? The power of AI lies in how you use it. Understand your audience, experiment with different copy variations, optimize for SEO, and always review and refine. If you take these steps, you'll be able to create website copy that truly converts. Before we wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we're using, link in the description below. You can follow along and start writing high-converting website copy today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.